Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello. My name is Alex. I create fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. Last week I filmed a video doing a green smoky eye using Jaclyn Hill's Dark Magic palette. Today I am going to be doing my own look featuring another palette in her Vault collection, the Bling Boss palette. It looks like this. I have a lot of new video ideas for the month of September, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of those. Alright, now let's jump into the video. I'm gonna zoom you guys in just so you guys see my eyes. Okay, so I am going to go in with the first shade. I'm going to use a fluffy blending brush in the crease, just one that looks like that. And I'm going to go in the shade Hush Hush right there. And just put that all over in my crease. And just take time to blend that out so we don't have a harsh line there. I'm just doing little bits at a time just to make sure I don't put too much product on at once. The number one thing I get asked is like how I do these looks, and it really is just patience and time blending and just trusting the process, because sometimes it starts to look scary and you just like want to just take it all off before you get the final look. Tomorrow I'm going to be filming a new exciting video. It's going to put me outside of my comfort zone, but I'm really excited. So be looking for that either later this week or early next week. I'm not sure when I'll have it edited by. But exciting things are coming to my channel. Now I'm going to go into the shade right here called Rockstar. It's a deep purple shade. And I'm gonna take a little bit denser of a brush. I think I'm gonna take one like this here and dip in lightly and just kind of press that in out here on my outer corner. And then once I get that pressed in, just kind of start to blend it out a little bit. And then once there's like not a lot left on the brush, I just bring it back up like a little bit lower in my crease to the front. Because I want to try to keep the darker areas out here on the outside. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Now that I have that second color laid down pretty nicely, I'm gonna go in with the shade Sparks right here, and I'm just gonna pat that in on this outer lid. Actually, I think I'm gonna pat that over the entire lid. I'm gonna pack it on the other eye. Ah! I grabbed a little too much on that one. Now I'm gonna go in with that first shade, Hush Hush, and I'm gonna kind of start to blend those three colors together. So far this is what I have, and you could always add one of these shimmer shades to it, but I think I'm actually gonna keep this look all matte. And I'm gonna just go ahead and do the bottom lash line. So first things first, I'm gonna take that same shade in Hush Hush. I'm gonna just drag it along the bottom lash line. Oh, I think this still has a little bit of something darker on there. I didn't clean the brushes. Oh no. Well, let's work with it. Damn it. Oh well. Oh well, we're gonna have to just work with it. I'm gonna go in with the shade Rockstar, which is that deep purple shade. I'm just gonna put that right against my lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with Hush Hush again and just kind of blend that down. My hair is crazy. Everything is crazy. I work today, so excuse this mess. I'm just gonna go in with this first shade, Bling Bling, and I'm gonna try to use it as a highlight shade. There. My under eye looks a mess because that first brush had like black or something in it. Oh well. I'm gonna try to put a tiny bit right there on my brow. Now I'm just gonna curl my lashes. And I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. This stuff is a biatch to take off. I'm gonna zoom you out. Whoop. And I'm going to apply this liquid lipstick. It's a Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Patina. I'm gonna stop or else my lips are gonna be like take up my entire face. So that's all I'm gonna do. My finished look here is this. I decided to do like a matte smoky eye. It's nice and purpley. It's inspired by my little amethyst crystal here. Yeah, I'm really happy with this palette as well as the Dark Magic palette. Everything went on beautifully. It's very smooth and pigmented and easy to blend, and yeah, I think it's perfect. These palettes are only $15. I believe Ulta sells them as well as morphebrushes.com. So yeah, like I said before, I'll link the green smoky eye look down below. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you later this week. Bye.